Hello and welcome to BMC Discovery. In this video, we are going to take a look on how to add new local users in BMC Discovery appliance. For this demo, let's log into the appliance with System User. Let's go to Administration and in the Security section, click on the icon Users. BMC Discovery Administrator can set up new users and assign them to groups. Here on this page, you can see the existing users, their name, if the account is active or not, the permissions which are given to the account, and if the password state for the user is okay. From the Actions drop-down, you have multiple options. You can click on Must Change Password, and the next time the user logs in, they have to change their password. Generate API tokens, so this user can have an API token to access REST API using that token. You can deny the password login for user, set the new password or delete the account completely. You can click on Edit and you can edit the permission given for the user. The permissions are controlled by security groups. In order to see these groups, we will open Administration in a new tab and again in the Security section, click on User Groups. Every user of BMC Discovery System must be a member of one or more groups. Membership of these groups defines the various BMC Discovery module that the user is entitled to access. For example, user defined as a member of system group can create and edit user details, and the member of the public group cannot access these areas. We also have read-only group. The user with read-only permission have read-only access to the system. They cannot view the credential for logging into the target host. You can use the groups which are available here out of the box, or you can create your own. Now let's come back to the User tab and we will click on Add to add new user. Here you have 3 out of the box template available for creating new user. A user template is for creating a local user. API access to create the user account only to be used for the access to an API. And you have event source group. This is to create a user account only to be used as an event source. So we will go with the user. We will add username, add full name of the user, allow the local login, enter the password, and enter the password again. There are password rules set over here that are used to validate the password strength. You can control that. Go back to Administration and click on Security Policies. From this page, you can control and configure multiple options for the user access. For example, user account can be blocked after several unsuccessful login attempts. If it should be automatically unblocked after a certain amount of time, user account that can be deactivated after a specific period of time, minimum password strength. You can specify the password history length to prevent user from using quickly recycling passwords, and password constraint, which you can uncheck or check again. You can set the password expiry period, which means after 90 days the password will expire and user have to set it again. The warning that should be given to the user before that password will expire, and locking the account after the password expiry. Let's go back to the user creation. Here we will set the option Force Password Change on the first login. It specifies that the user must change their password when they first log in, and then you can select the groups. One or more group that this user will be member of. To log in the user must be group of either read-only, public, system, or admin group. So for this user, we will just give read-only access and click on Apply. And here you can see the user is added. You can see the details and the state of the password is must be changed at the next login. Now let's log out from over here and try to log in as this new user that we have just created. Enter the username, enter the password. You have to enter the existing password and the new password. Click on Apply and now you can see you are able to log in with this new user. If we go to Administration and Security Policies, you can see that this is the read-only user and does not have permission to access the configuration section of the appliance. You can also add new users from the command line. We will take a quick look at that as well. In order to do that, let's log into the command line with Tideway user. The utility to add new user is called as tw_add user followed by -g which will specify the group that the user should belong to. We will add discovery and admin and system. And we will add the username as Sam. Here we will set the password and repeat it one more time. Now let's log out from here and we will try to log in as this new user that we have just created. We can see the login page and we are able to add the new password as well. Click on apply and here you can see that we are able to log in successfully. For more information about the security group, please refer to our online documentation. That's all in this session for right now. Thank you for watching.